Everybody, how are you? So, today we're going to be doing another diphthong sound. The sound we're doing today is O. O. Look at my lips. O. So, just a quick note. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like if you think these videos are useful to you. The O sound is from and U. Put together. Start with the where your lips are a bit like an oval shape and the sound is coming from the back of your mouth. And then it moves into the U, where your lips are more rounded. So, O, O, O. See my lips going from an oval shape to a round shape. O. The O sound, the diphthong sound, is not always phonetically spelt. Sometimes it comes with an O, as in an O by itself, or it can be matched with another letter, a vowel or a consonant. So, let's have a look at some samples that we have for you. So, let's start off with the single O spelling, okay? N-O, no. G-O, go. S-O, so, and ost, most. Let's move on to the O-E spelling, okay? So, h-ome, home. B-own, bone. N-oat, note. And r-o's, rose. Let's have a look at the OA spelling, okay? B-oat, boat. S-ope, soap. R-ode, road. And f-ome, foam. Finally, let's look at the O-W spelling. Are you ready? Sh-o, show. Sn-o, snow. Make sure for the next one you listen really carefully. R-o, row, and L-o, low. Row, low. Note. So, most of the time I row my boat in low foam to go home. So, that's it for today. Practice a sentence. Take care everybody and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.